Hello and welcome to day 50 of Bedtime Welsh. And who's this? Who's
Nando.
here? This is Nando. This is Black Cat 1 or Black Cat 2?
1.
It's one or the other. So yes, fantastic 50 days of Bedtime Welsh. If you're seeing this, if you've got this far, you put such a huge amount of effort in. We are so proud of you. Huge congratulations. That having said, let's give you a few little brain teasers now. So, can you tell me how to say I've finished speaking? Can you remember that from yesterday? I've finished speaking.
Dwi wedi gorffen siarad.
Dwi wedi gorffen siarad. Da iawn. Okay, how about I've finished playing?
Dwi wedi gorffen chwarae.
Dwi wedi gorffen chwarae. How about have you finished working?
Wyt ti wedi gorffen gweithio?
Wyt ti wedi gorffen gweithio? Da iawn. How about I haven't finished? Can you work out how to change dwi wedi gorffen, I finished, into I haven't finished?
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen. If you got that right without any clues from us, that's absolutely fantastic. If you didn't, well, don't worry about it. You probably will next time. Dwi ddim wedi gorffen. Okay, and last one for today. I haven't finished speaking.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen siarad.
Dwi ddim wedi gorffen siarad. Well, I have for today, but we'll have some more stuff for you tomorrow. So, for now, hwyl am y tro.